Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wished you could share your adventures in real time with family and friends? Garmin LiveTrack makes it incredibly easy, offering peace of mind to your loved ones while you're out exploring. It's perfect for those long bike rides, extended runs, or even just a solo hike, ensuring someone always knows exactly where you are. This feature truly brings an extra layer of safety and connection to all your outdoor activities, making every journey a little more secure. Setting up LiveTrack is wonderfully straightforward. Before you begin your activity, just open your Garmin Connect app on your smartphone, and you'll find the LiveTrack option right there. Simply tap to enable it, ensuring your phone is with you and connected to your Garmin device for the duration of your adventure. It's a quick step that truly makes a big difference in sharing your progress and enhancing your safety. Once LiveTrack is active, Garmin generates a unique web link just for your current activity. You can easily share this link with anyone you choose, whether it's your family, friends, or even your coach. Send it quickly via email, a text message, or even post it to your favorite social media platforms, letting everyone follow your journey in real time. It's all about making sure your trusted circle can keep an eye on your progress effortlessly. While you're out enjoying your activity, your chosen followers can access that unique link and watch your progress live on a map. They'll see your current location, along with valuable data like your speed, distance covered, and elapsed time. Plus, new for 2025, observers can now send preset encouraging messages directly to your Garmin device, keeping you motivated every step of the way. It's an interactive and engaging experience for everyone involved. So, why use LiveTrack? Beyond the obvious safety benefits of letting others know where you are, it creates a wonderful connection with your support network. For 2025, the integrated messaging features allow your loved ones to send quick encouragements, making your solo adventures feel a little less solitary. It's about building a community around your activities, ensuring you always feel connected and secure, no matter how far you roam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.